Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce you our new glass glitter cups collection. So all the cups in this collection used are classic design. For example, this beer glass. It has a very easy to hold handle, and this glitter finish is really eye-catching and shiny, and it's perfect for all different kinds of parties. You can enjoy your favorite beer or beverage with this beautiful and very stylish cup. Next, we have this cone-shaped latte mug. The cone shape is very easy to fit in with your hand, and the simple design is very classic but also very stylish. You can drink any kinds of beverage in this cups like coffee, beer, or soda drinks. Next, we have our standard glass cups. So this glass cup is perfect to use indoor, and we offer so many different colors that would go perfectly with your office or home decor. It not only keeps you hydrated but also gives you a good mood. Next, we have a similar design but without the handle. You can use it as a cup to enjoy your favorite beverage, and you can also use it as a container. And it's so beautiful that it can be perfect for decorations. For example, you can put your favorite green plant as a holder, or you can also put your makeup brush. Last but not least, we have our glitter shot glass. Now imagine yourself using this shot glass at any kinds of parties. It definitely makes you stand out from the crowd, makes it more fun, and gives you a cool vibe. So for each cups, we offer two different kinds of designs for you to choose from. So this one is fully covered by glitter, and this one has a transparent brim on top. And each cups also comes with all different kinds of colors for your customers to choose from. And most importantly, all the cups are covered by Orca coatings for sublimation printing. You can print any of your favorite designs, logos, or images on it. And if you wondered how to print on this mug, check out our previous videos for reference. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!